Sejin Technical Industries booked their initial order, around €2.8 million, with Estonian Marine and Manufacturing Initiative and Estonian suppliers for Ro-Pax ferry project.
Sejin felt that Estonian suppliers would be a good choice given their solid references in this field, cooperative prices, and ability to meet project schedule. Sejin signed a LOA with Hyundai for turnkey accommodation for the Kiwidale Ro-Pax ferry project. These vessels will present significant opportunity to Estonian suppliers.
As the ambassador of Estonia to South Korea, I'm very happy to see that business contacts between Estonian and Korean companies are intensifying. With Sejin Tech being world's top marine accommodation provider and Estonian manufacturing industry being known for its good quality of work, I see a great potential for taking this good cooperation to the next level.
The perception of European products in Korea is generally favorable. Estonian products are competitive from both a product and a price perspective. As an EU country, Estonia has an immense potential in Korea.